फ्रेंड्स, अ वेरी वॉर्म वेलकम टू ईच वन ऑफ यू। आप सभी को सीए आशा शर्मा का नमस्कार। टुडे वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एंड दिस टाइम इट विल बी अंडर द कंपनीज लॉ। दिस इज़ रिगार्डिंग ऑडिट ट्रेल एंड इट्स रिपोर्टिंग। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कंपनी लॉ के एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोविज़न की, जो कि है रिगार्डिंग ऑडिट ट्रेल और इसकी रिपोर्टिंग के लिए। फ्रेंड्स, MCA, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs, introduced a new rule, that is Rule 11G in the company's Audit and Auditors Rule 2014. ये Rule 11G it was introduced in the year 2021, but this was deferred twice, not once but twice, and it is finally made applicable with effect from the 1st April 2023. MCA ने एक रूल इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, रूल 11G इन दी कंपनीज ऑडिट एंड ऑडिटर्स रूल। ये रूल इंसर्ट किया गया था इन द ईयर 2021, बट बिकॉज ऑफ जेन्यून हार्डशिप्स एंड अदर थिंग्स इस रूल को 2 बार डेफर किया गया एंड फाइनली इसे 1 अप्रैल 2023 से एप्लीकेबल किया गया। 1 अप्रैल 23 से एप्लीकेबल इट मीन्स कि दैट इट विल बी एप्लीकेबल फ्रॉम द फाइनेंशियल ईयर 23-24 itself, meaning thereby the balance sheet and the audit report for the year ended 31st March 2024, this audit trail implementation and its reporting is mandatory. Friends, before we go forward, let us first discuss what this audit trail is, how and where it need to be implemented. Friends, we will also discuss about its penal consequences, but first we will discuss about the audit trail ki what it is. So, Rule 11G talks about the reporting on the audit trail. What does it say? It requires auditors to report whether the company has used such accounting software for maintaining its books of account which has the feature of recording the audit trail, which has operated throughout the year and which has not been tampered with. So 3 main characteristics which comes out is the accounting software should have the feature of audit trail, it should have been operated throughout the year and it has not been tampered with. And second thing is कि auditor is also required to report the preservance of the audit trail, कि preservance is there or not, but although it will be applicable from the second year itself. तो 11G में ऑडिट ट्रेल जो कहा गया, इसमें क्या कहा कि कंपनी एक ऐसा अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करती है जिसमें कि ऑडिट ट्रेल का फीचर है। ऑडिट ट्रेल क्या है ये भी हम समझेंगे। ऑडिट ट्रेल का फीचर है जो पूरे साल इफ़ेक्टिवली उसमें इम्प्लीमेंटेड था और वर्क हुआ उस पर थ्रू आउट द ईयर वो था, एंड उसमें किसी भी तरह की कोई भी टैम्परिंग यानी छेड़खानी नहीं की गई। एंड सेकेंड थिंग जो बात करता है, ये कहता है कि ऑडिटर ऑल्सो रिपोर्ट करेगा रिगार्डिंग कि वो ऑडिट ट्रेल, वो ऑडिट लॉग प्रॉपरली एज पर द स्टैट्यूटरी रिक्वायरमेंट प्रिजर्व करके रखा गया या नहीं रखा गया। एज पर द स्टैट्यूटरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स द प्रिजर्वेंस इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द 8 years, 8 साल तक वो रिकॉर्ड्स प्रिजर्व करके रखने हैं हमें। तो आफ्टर दिस ऑडिट ट्रेल, अब हमने बात की regarding the audit trail reporting. We discussed about the reporting of audit trail. Now the question comes in, what is audit trail? Audit trail है क्या? So audit trail क्या है? और we can say audit trail can also be termed as the audit log. It's a visible trail of evidence enabling one to trace the information contained in the statement or report back to the original input source. Means कि एक ऐसा एविडेंस होता है, इस तरह का पूरा क्रोनोलॉजिकल इवेंट, एक पूरा हिस्ट्री इस तरह से बनती है जहाँ पे आप किसी भी ट्रांजैक्शन का सोर्स से लेकर के लास्ट जो वो करंट स्टेट में है वहाँ तक की आप पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन का पता लगा सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट विल कंटेन द रिकॉर्ड्स लाइक व्हेन द चेंजेस हैज़ बीन मेड, हु मेड द चेंजेस एंड व्हाट डेटा वाज चेंज, मीन्स कब किया, किसने किया और क्या किया, जो भी ट्रांजैक्शन है, कौन से यूज़र आईडी से हुआ, कौन से एंट्री में चेंज किया गया, उसमें टाइम स्टैम्प आती है, टाइम स्टैम्प विल बी देयर। सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑडिट ट्रेल लॉग, अ पर्सन कैन ट्रेस द फाइनेंशियल डेटा ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजेक्शन राइट फ्रॉम द जनरल लेजर टू इट्स सोर्स डॉक्यूमेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट ट्रेल। तो ऑडिट ट्रेल कैसे हेल्प करता है, जो एक लास्ट में मुझे लेजर में एंट्री दिख रही है, उस एंट्री को मैं अगर बैकवर्ड चलूँगी तो मैं सोर्स डॉक्यूमेंट तक पहुँच सकती हूँ. दैट इज़ द थिंग्स विच आर कंटेन्ड इन द ऑडिट ट्रेल. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेज कि वेयर एंड हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट दिस ऑडिट ट्रेल. ये ऑडिट ट्रेल का इम्प्लीमेंट करना कहाँ है. तो ऑल्दो ऑडिट ट्रेल को अगर हम पूरा समझेंगे कैसे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होनी है, हाउ इट नीड्स टू बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड, it's a long discussion and it will take at least an hour, but in short we will discuss. So it need to be embedded in the accounting software used by the company to prepare and maintain its books of account. ये जो एक ऑडिट ट्रेल है, ये फीचर कंपनी को अपने अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर में करवाना पड़ेगा एम्बेड, सो दैट कि जो भी कोई सा भी अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करो, टैली, ERP, मार्क, वॉट एवर, उस अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर में ये फीचर उसको एनेबल कराना पड़ेगा, सो दैट कि किसी भी ट्रांजेक्शन का एडिट लॉग बन सके, सो दैट एडिट लॉग ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी ट्रांजेक्शन इज बीइंग मेंटेन एंड अवेलेबल. नाउ वी सेड अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर यूज टू मेंटेन प्रिपेयर बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट. अब बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट क्या है? द क्वेश्चन अराइजेज व्हाट इज बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट. So, and mind you, even an Excel sheet, Excel file can also be termed as a books of account as per the company law, although there are certain terms and conditions for it. So the books of account has been defined in the Companies Act, but there is an inclusive definition of it. The books of account include करता है, it will include the records maintained in respect of all sums of money received and expended by the company, all sales and purchase of goods or services, all assets liabilities of the company, all the items of cost as may be prescribed under the company's law. Excel sheet, या for that matter any other sheet or any other software or any other module from which the data is directly pushed into the system for accounting, that also comes under the purview of books of account. So after this books of account, now the question arises, who is responsible for the implementation of audit trail? So the answer is management. It is the responsibility of management, means the company is responsible for the implementation of the audit trail. Auditor is not responsible for implementation, but he is responsible for reporting on that audit trail. So it is the management who is responsible for the effective implementation of this audit trail and ensuring कि audit trail is not disabled, it is not tempered, it is everything is the responsibility of management. Auditor will be responsible to report whether it is implemented or not, if it is implemented, whether it is operated throughout the year or not, if it is operated throughout the year or for that matter part of the year, whether it was not tempered or tempered, and accordingly he needs to give his report. For reporting of how auditor should report, we will discuss it in a separate video, because otherwise it will be a long one to discuss. Now comes to the penal consequences. Penal consequences क्या हैं? For the penal consequences दोनों के लिए हैं, for company also and for auditor also. First we will talk about penal consequences of the company. In case the audit trail feature is not implemented, then the company will face the penal consequences, and the penalties will be leviable on the managing director, CFO, whole time director, or whosoever is responsible or as may be charged by the board with the responsibility of maintaining these books of accounts and all. And the penalty fine will be at least 50,000, and which can go up to 5 lakh rupees also for each person. Now comes, so it's a big penalty just for the non-implementation of this audit trail feature. Now comes to the auditor. Since there is no specific penalty, but general penalty can always be levied, and general penalty is rupees 10,000 if there is any failure or non-compliance on the part of auditor in reporting or wrong reporting of this implementation of audit trail. But this penalty is only as per the company law, and auditor can always face penalty or consequences from the ICI disciplinary committee, from the NAFRA. So auditor is very much required to be cautious enough to report it correctly, and also one must take care that if the audit trail log or audit log facility is not implemented or implemented for the part of the year only, then auditor need to be extra cautious with respect to the alternative audit procedures he need to be performed, and documentation, analysis and other audit working. Friends, the another important aspect is which we must know कि to whom this audit trail implementation provision is applicable. Mind you, this is applicable on all type of companies, whether small companies, OPC, foreign companies, Section 8 company, listed, not listed, private limited, all type of companies. There is no relaxation or no exemption for any kind of companies. Although it is not applicable on LLP because LLP is different than the company. So again I would reiterate that since this rule was made applicable from 1st of April 23, that is first implementation year was financial year 23-24 itself. So if any company has failed to implement this audit trail features in their accounting software, then it's the time to take action and implement the audit trail as earliest as possible, because there are huge penal consequences which the company might face. So, and for implementation of this audit trail, the companies can always take help or consultation of the competent professionals. So with this I thank you all for your patience listening, and this was a short brief from my side on the understanding of audit trail and its reporting. So namaste, Jai Hind and Jai ICI.